Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to manage Google Gemini camera permission on mobile. So to do this you have just to go to settings and after that scroll down until you find apps. Click on it and after that go and look for Gemini. Click on it and as you can see the second option is the camera access. You can just close it if you don't want to give access to the Gemini app for your phone camera, and you can activate it like this also, and like that you can activate or deactivate and manage the camera permission on your mobile. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video. If you have any other question, you can put it in the comment section.